Hey guys, welcome to Kartika's Creative DIYs. Today I'm going to tell you how to convert one of these art on a canvas sheet. This one is done by using paint by number kit into a framed art, something like this, by making a frame base from the scratch. So let's get started. The first thing we need is the wood studs. I went to my local hardware store Lowe's and found these in the size 1 inch by 2 inch and in the height of 8 feet, giving me enough room to get all 4 sides from one. To get these cut, you can ask a representative. They can either cut it for free or for a very small charge. Now for the measurements, I need my frame to be of size 16 by 20 inches. For that, you'll need 2 pieces of 20 inches and 2 of 16 minus the width of the wood studs. In this case, 2 inches. So ideally it should be 12 inches. But in my experience, always measure the width again. Here I was short by 0.2 inches. So changing my whole calculations and bringing the total to 12.4 inches. Now that I have all 4 pieces of mine, I'm going to put them together into a frame using a staple gun. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.